All right, quick question. How confident are you that only you can access your online banking? Like, absolutely, 100% sure? Think about it. We've got passwords, right? Maybe even complex ones. But passwords can be cracked, guessed, or even stolen. And in today's digital age, where everything from your grocery list to your life savings is managed online, that's a scary thought. Imagine this: you wake up one morning, check your phone, and see a notification from your bank. A transaction you don't recognize. A large one. Panic sets in. You try to log in, but your password doesn't work. Someone else is in your account. They've bypassed your password, and now they have access to your hard-earned money. This isn't a far-fetched scenario. It happens. And it's why banks, like Rogers Bank, have implemented an extra layer of security, two-step verification, also known as multi-factor authentication or 2FA. So, what exactly is two-step verification for Rogers Bank? Why does it matter? And how do you set it up? That's what we're diving into today. Let's break it down. Essentially, two-step verification adds a second layer of security beyond your password. It's like having a double lock on your front door. The first lock is your password, and the second is something only you have access to. For Rogers Bank, this usually involves a code sent to your registered mobile phone number or email address. So, when you try to log in, after entering your password, you'll be prompted to enter this unique code. Without it, access is denied. Think of it this way: your password proves you know something, and the code proves you have something. It's a powerful combination. Now, why is this so important? Well, as we touched on earlier, passwords alone aren't enough. Hackers are becoming increasingly sophisticated, using techniques like phishing, malware, and brute force attacks to steal passwords. And once they have your password, they can access your account from anywhere in the world. Two-step verification makes it significantly harder for them. Even if they somehow get your password, they still need that second code, which is sent directly to you. This acts as a crucial barrier, stopping them in their tracks. Let's get into the specifics of how Rogers Bank's two-step verification typically works. While the exact process may have slight variations, the general principle remains the same. Step 1. Setting up two-step verification. First, you'll need to enable two-step verification in your Rogers Bank online banking settings. This is usually found under the Security or Profile section. You might be asked to provide your mobile phone number or email address, or both. This is where the verification codes will be sent. Rogers Bank will likely send a test code to ensure the contact information you provided is accurate. This is a crucial step. Make sure you can receive these codes. Step 2. Logging in with two-step verification. Once you've set it up, here's what happens when you try to log in. Enter your username and password. This is the standard login process. Receive a verification code. Rogers Bank will send a unique code to your registered mobile phone number or email address. Enter the verification code. You'll be prompted to enter the code on the login screen. Access your account. If the code is correct, you'll be granted access to your online banking. It's that simple. But those few extra seconds can make a world of difference in terms of security. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns people have about two-step verification. What if I don't have a mobile phone? Rogers Bank usually offers alternative options, such as receiving codes via email. Check your online banking settings or contact customer support for more information. What if I lose my phone? This can be a bit tricky. If you've lost your phone, you won't be able to receive verification codes. In this case, you'll need to contact Rogers Bank customer support immediately. They can help you disable two-step verification temporarily or update your contact information. It's always a good idea to have a backup plan, such as a backup phone number or email address. What if I don't receive the verification code? Sometimes, there can be delays in receiving verification codes. Check your phone's signal strength, your email spam folder, or try requesting a new code. If you're still having trouble, Contact Rogers Bank customer support. Is two-step verification foolproof? While it significantly enhances security, no system is completely foolproof. There are still potential risks, such as SIM swapping attacks or sophisticated phishing attempts. However, two-step verification makes it much harder for hackers to access your account. Tips for maximizing security. Beyond enabling two-step verification, here are some additional tips to keep your online banking safe. Use strong, unique passwords. Avoid using easily guessable passwords or reusing passwords across multiple accounts. Keep your software updated. Regularly update your operating system, browser, and antivirus software to patch security vulnerabilities. Be wary of phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or open attachments from unknown senders. Monitor your account activity. Regularly check your account for any unauthorized transactions. Use a secure internet connection. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for online banking. By taking these precautions, you can significantly reduce the risk of becoming a victim of online banking fraud. In the end, two-step verification is a small step that can make a huge difference in protecting your financial security. It's a simple, yet powerful tool that adds an extra layer of defense against cybercriminals. It might seem like a minor inconvenience at first, having to enter a code every time you log in. But think of it this way, a few extra seconds now can save you from potentially losing your entire savings later. Rogers Bank, like many other financial institutions, has implemented this security measure to protect its customers. It's a testament to the growing importance of online security in today's digital world. So, if you haven't already, take a few minutes to enable two-step verification on your Rogers Bank account. It's a simple step that can give you peace of mind knowing that your financial information is more secure. Remember, in the digital age, security is not an option, it's a necessity. And two-step verification is a crucial part of that security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.